In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list all word commands. This is a very useful technique, especially if you want to explore every available shortcut and command in Microsoft Word in one place. Instead of memorizing commands individually, you can generate a complete list automatically and use it as a reference whenever you need it. To begin, open Microsoft Word on your computer. You can start by creating a new blank document. This will give you a clean workspace to begin the process. Once your document is open, look at the top menu and click on the View tab. This section contains several tools that allow you to manage how your document is displayed and accessed. From the View tab, locate the Macros option. Click on it, and then select View Macros from the drop-down menu. This will open a new window where you can access different macro-related features within Word. Inside the Macros window, you'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Macros In. Click on this drop-down and select Word Commands. This option allows you to access built-in commands that are available in Microsoft Word. After selecting Word Commands, move to the Macros Name section and look for an option called List Commands. Once you find it, click to select it, then press the Run button. At this point, Word will prompt you with a choice. It will ask whether you want to generate the list in a new document or use your current keyboard settings. Select the option that corresponds to your current keyboard setup, then click OK to proceed. Word will then automatically generate a document containing a complete list of commands and shortcuts available based on your system's configuration. You'll see a detailed list that includes the commands along with their corresponding keyboard shortcuts. This list can be quite extensive, but it's extremely helpful if you want to learn more about Word's capabilities or improve your workflow. This method gives you a convenient way to view and review all available shortcuts in one place, making it easier to become more efficient when using Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.